Alright, so it cut me off before we got to the last section of the vocabulary. So we're going to look at el vocabulario here on the third section. We have a donde, where to. A donde vas, where are you going. El día, day. El domingo, Sunday. El fin de semana, weekend. El jueves, Thursday. El lunes, Monday. El martes, Tuesday. El miércoles, Wednesday. Para nadar, in order to swim. La película, movie. El sábado, Saturday. La semana, week. Ver, to see. And el viernes, Friday. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and include a little bit in here, a review of the things we've talked about so far in the chapter. You do want to review so we don't forget anything. We have first back here the conjugation of hablar, the AR verb. So go ahead and read through the conjugation. Yo hablo, I speak or talk. Tú hablas, you informal speak or talk. Él, ella, usted habla, he speaks or talks, she speaks or talks, you formal speak or talk. Hablamos, we speak or talk. Hablan, you and they speak or talk. Okay? We also have gone over con. Con, remember, means with. We can use it with él or ella to mean with him or with her. And then we have the special forms contigo, with you for the informal you, and conmigo, with me. We also have gone over que, which can mean three different things: that, which, or who. So remember, it just depends on the sentence. We have our conjugation of estar here. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. Okay, and here it's being used to talk about location. Don't forget about placing the accents. This is probably one of the hardest parts of the chapter to learn, and those are the prepositions. Al lado de means next to one side of. Remember, you want a ladder next to you. Allá, karate chop, there. Allá. Aquí, here, I'm handing you a key. Cerca de, near, I'm circling near. Debajo de, under or beneath. Encima de, on top of. And then lejos de. Keep those Legos far, far from me. Okay? Alright. I think that's as far as we've gotten the chapter. We will go ahead and talk about the rest of the chapter coming up in the week. But make sure you're reviewing your conversation, your vocabulary, so we'll be ready for the next test. And be sure to email me if you have questions.